Oh my gosh. Awesome.
Look at that fence.
I know. Oh dang, dude.
Man, I didn't know they were here.
Oh. Pretty sure I think this is a tornado, but think wind can do this?
What?
Do you think wind could have done this? Well, they did say gusts up to 85 miles an hour. That's the warning. That's the big. That's the weird part. Don't miss it. We got a little bit of wind. We didn't get too much. We didn't get a lot. She looks like it's tilted just a little bit. Huh?
Yeah, the power's been out for a long time. I mean, a long ways. You know, that's a long distance to come. Are you videoing?
Yeah, I'm videoing.
Probably gone now for about 8 miles with no power.
Dang.
Wendy's.
Oh my word. They turned a gravesite.
Oh my gosh.
There's a giant gravestone over there just like overturned and stuff. Like,
Raised somebody from the dead.
well, it did. It raised them out of the ground.
Wendy's is open. I'll go for that.
Huh?
I don't think Wendy's is open. The Chevron thing says closed.
I wonder what the freeway looks like. Oh wow, look at that.
What the heck?
I tore a sign down. It tore a sign down, dude. Oh my word. Dang.
Wow.
Man, I feel bad for Joplin now, man. You know what I mean?
Well, this is nothing compared to what Joplin did.
Well, I have a feeling that Joplin was worse, huh?
Yeah.
They just flattened Joplin. I think this is bad, but you know, Joplin can get worse, huh? Not very much destruction no more, huh? Oh my gosh, yeah, never mind, right there.
Yeah. Sign knocked over there. I had no idea it was going to be like this. I thought when I checked the weather this morning, it said winds to like 30 miles an hour or something like that.
Oh, I think the Weather Channel was wrong. It said 40% chance. Well, I didn't know they meant a tornado. I guess tornado was pretty high for this part, huh?
I'm so hungry, I'm about ready to eat your phone.
I have that on video, so I have a video of your stomach.
What?
I have a video of your stomach that's on video.